Welcome back to my channel, Zero Studio. In this video you will see some design options that might fit what you are looking for or thinking about. Enjoy watching. Compact yet luxurious bedroom in a tiny home with premium ambient lighting and natural light streaming through a skylight. Features an accent wall in deep cobalt blue fluffy bedding, layered textures and wall-mounted lights for nighttime reading, creating a relaxing, elegant retreat. Minimalist small bathroom design with moody lighting from backlit mirrors and ceiling LEDs. The space includes a bold charcoal black wall, matte brass fixtures, marble countertop and wooden vanity, combining luxury and functionality in a tight, cozy layout. A small open-concept studio apartment with luxe lighting design. Globe pendant lights, hidden LED strips and soft warm tones. The space is anchored by a vibrant emerald green sofa, natural wood elements, soft gray walls, and a cozy sleeping nook separated by a sheer curtain.
Thank you.
tiny home office corner in a micro-apartment with focused premium task lighting, deep burgundy accent walls, sleek white desk and plush velvet chair. The setting combines functionality and comfort with warm light temperatures and layered textures for a cozy creative zone. Small mid-century modern living space featuring a rich navy feature wall, tan leather armchair, floating wood shelves, and premium Edison bulb pendant lights. The space is styled with cozy textiles, warm lighting and compact furniture to create a welcoming upscale atmosphere. A narrow hallway of a compact modern home, dramatically lit with recessed lighting and uplights that highlight a deep teal statement wall. Accented with abstract wall art, brushed brass hardware, and rich wood herringbone flooring for a premium boutique feel. A tiny loft bedroom with soft ambient lighting from bedside pendant lamps and a dimmable smart light system. The room includes a statement terracotta red wall, minimalist walnut storage, plush layered bedding in neutral tones, and thick woven rugs for a warm, enveloping atmosphere. Small home kitchen dining combo in an open-plan layout, bathed in natural light from large windows and enhanced with under-cabinet strip lighting and a designer chandelier. Features matte black cabinets, bold mustard yellow backsplash tiles, warm wood flooring and cozy dining seating with plush cushions. Interior of a compact urban apartment with premium linear ceiling lights and wall-mounted sconces creating a soft glow. The space is styled with a burnt orange velvet sofa, a round marble coffee table and dark navy blue walls with gold trim. The layout maximizes space with built-in shelves and a cozy reading nook. A cozy 400-square-foot Scandinavian-inspired living room in a small home, illuminated by warm premium recessed LED lighting and a modern pendant light fixture. The room features a bold forest green accent wall, minimalist oak furniture, soft beige textiles, and layered ambient lighting for a luxurious yet intimate feel. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you can enjoy it and find the design you want. See you in the next video.